Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to be comparing Notion and Anytype to see if which is best in all-in-one workspace in 2025. So let's get started. So first, let's start with Notion. So Notion is a cloud-based productivity platform known for its powerful templates, databases, and integration options. So it's accessible across devices, making it an excellent choice for remote teams and personal use alike. So with a large community and extensive marketplace, users can quickly find resources to boost their workflow. However, it requires an internet connection to function fully, which may be a drawback for offline work. So moving forward with the Anytype, this one, it takes a different approach by being local first and privacy focused. So it stores data offline and uses decentralized architecture with end-to-end encryption, ensuring maximum control over your information. So its block-based system works similarly to Notion, but its ecosystem is still developing with fewer integration and community resources. So for those who prioritize data ownership and offline capability, Anytype offers a strong alternative to cloud-reliant tools. So the summary is that you can choose Notion for mature features, theme use, and cloud convenience. Now you can also choose Anytype for privacy, offline work, and data ownership. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this comparison helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!